How to change profile picture on Roblox. First is by opening your Roblox app and then go ahead on this button right here, which is the second button found on the lower left of the screen. Once you're right here, simply click on Customize and then you may click on the plus button on Creations and click on Save as New and then type in the name that you want, for example, this one. And then you may change your head and body by clicking on this one, your clothing, your accessories, your emotes, and animations. Do take note that not all of the accessories, clothing, and etc. are free. So you need to have Robux to use it or have it. So just like this one, the black katana, you need to have 50 Robux right here in order to have the accessories that you want or the clothing that you want. Then once you're done, you may click on the um, save button or the buy button right here, and then that's it. That's how you may change your profile picture on Roblox.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.